It's no good having a flash car if you can't be safe in it. And we all know that seatbelts can save lives. There's some new laws to make sure all your passengers stay safe.
Hey, what's up?
You can only have the same amount of people as there are seatbelts. If you've got a car with 2 seatbelts that work, you can only have 2 people riding in that car. And remember, there's some heavy fines if you're busted. The new rule's simple. If your car has just 5 seatbelts, it can only carry 5 people.
Hey, got space? What? Sorry.
No seatbelt, no travel.
Queen of Sheba or something.
Even if you are the Queen of Sheba. Don't be stupid. Wear a seatbelt.